on the wall. Who's a mother flipping the less freshest of them all? You see me? Now the body standing, my Sunday have to sing a walk around.
Good morning, you guys. I did not, after I got home from the airport, I did not vlog at all for one day. So this is the second day of me being here, and I'm about to just organize my stuff. I have an exam that I need to do, and then I need to, today I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing yet, but I have to do my exam so I can get that out the way, and I need to eat something. So I'm about to spread this bed, and then yeah, that's what we're doing. Jalen, say hi to the camera. Jalen, say hi. Yo, that's my cousin, Jalen. You want what? Take a picture. It's a video. Yeah, it's a video. So yeah, guys, we're about to I'm gonna take a picture. No, just make sure it's on me. Yeah, don't press anything. Don't press anything. But yeah. You take picture. Record me. Oh. So yeah, I'm about to do my exam, and then you might get me good. Hold it up so you can see me, my face. Good. So I'm going to do my exams and then figure out what else I need to do today. What's up, you guys? It is Independence Day. We're about to go to the beach, and I wanted to take some pictures, so I have a little bit of makeup on. I just have some eyeshadow on to do my brows and put some lip gloss on. But we're about to leave out soon, and I just have on my Jamaica top, some mesh shorts, some water shoes, and we're about to see what's going on. I'm waiting for everybody. Someone needs to come pick us up, and yeah. It's in here in case we have to lock up.
Hello, sit there. Don't worry about me, we have to put things in support to fat. Me have two. I never asked you. I have two. So don't be hating it. Don't be hating. What would me and people can win now?
Everybody have a feel.
Pass over. Come on, tell and go over more.
No sleep. Ashana.
So Ashana. She come here, and when I have the car, she drive the car. So all of a sudden, she have to Jamaica.
Then mommy,
because I remember you drove. Remember the Mitsubishi car when it up?
One time we drive, we go by exchange shop and then we drive from Ocho.
Then when you're driving one time and he wheel the side, so I didn't have go.
And then remember we did that, we go fix it, and then he forced me to drive it to home.
No, I never. Exchange stop your drive, go and pop and we turn up at exchange stop the whole time and fix it.
And then but then he go Ocho, go buy new tires.
Oh, and you have to drive it go down there. Oh yeah, you're right.
And he did have this. And then he make me drive it home.
Oh, your big brother, he make you up.
Where am I going? I don't get so.
I saw.
No, I must know someone different.
Let's see.
And then them sit down in the lane not every.
They know how we can push. I swear we always say under the bridge and Marshall all that things you can park under the bridge.
But Marshall not there with him.
But Shirley no know how way. But Chris know how way unless I sit them and go do.
Unless I something else them I do. But they need to let me know when my phone there. Somebody call him now.
Jalen. Jonathan, say hi.
Hi.
Your mask is cute. This your swimming? This your swimming?
What? No.
No?
Tori,
Hmm?
jump my phone in your pocket. Oh, you have a vlog camera.
Yeah. No, I pull up my phone with Pia sitting there. Yeah? Huh?
So, how me I hear so much different news? Grandma of my mom.
So yeah, we
No, you want to get Shirley. We have more one.
Chelsea, where your master?
Grandma Wally.
Okay. Say anything for take you off and just put it back on the right side. I think that's the day over there, side. Okay, that.
So for you, it's a bit different than how I remember.
That's so dirty.
Just wait till everybody ready to swim. We're not bother. Yes. Wait till everybody ready to swim.
Yeah, me see how
So y'all, this is White River, right? And look at this. So this right here is the river, right? It goes all the way up. And then this is the ocean, right? So right here is where the ocean and the river meet. So it's like that's cool, right?
Come here. Where you go? I don't even see you. I said so as you go there, so you run over and over there.
You know, Grandma, you should have went take off for something then, man. See me tell you, I don't listen. Me say listen, me hear Nico say the water wash where they sitting there. Me say, you know what, I'm gonna put on my shoes. Jalen, don't go into the water. You better not go into the water. Yeah, they figure, Grandma? So yeah guys, we're here. I want to take my pictures. I have an idea of how I want to take some pictures for today for Independence Day because I have this flag. But y'all, the way the sand is set up, it's not cute. Because like I think a storm came and washed away like certain stuff. So it's not like a lot of rocks came up. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to clear something out so I can take my pictures.
Ready, woman, up there. Say, you all come go swim. What's my drop off?
You can pass me shoes and fling your face. You can pass me water shoes and fling your face. You can go for me water shoes and just fling your face. Come on, you're so tough.
I know people that bitch.
Alright, Jaden.
What a general. So why you don't let go?
Exactly.
Yeah, man, so you wet them up.
That's smart, it's funny.
That's good. Now what do we fix them?
Alright.
Like a drop fast.
Just do it. You're tall enough. Yes. No,
I say I was seeing you forward. Oh, Ashburn the forward and you forward. Never do it so. Yeah, let's see all that stuff. See all that stuff.
Yeah. Edit them when me go up. Me go back hard this week.
Come here, George. Don't move.
Let's see your phone here, Uncle Chris.
Marlon, what do you think about
We have to walk, go do stuff for something too.
Asha.
Okay.
Same way we come, same way we go back.
Mommy, remember we have to go up this stuff for Mommy. On the lemon.
That is 7? Yeah. Alright, I need 1 too.
So how much you need in total?
1, 2, 7.
It's Zoom in, you know?
Oh, Zoom. You use it. Is Zoom on?
What that? Where are you?
Currently.
You know, I'm the bar. have back up.
No, how much do you? Okay, we got
Grandma, say hi. Say hi.
No, nobody take away the mask.
Ina take picture. It's a video.
Hi. You know, I have to tell you about that. Back.
Hey you guys, it's been a few days since we got here. So it's a few days since I got here and I'm just chilling. Today's my cousin, oh yeah, today is my cousin Jalen's birthday. If you watch my Jamaica vlog from like 2 years ago, we were here for his birthday the last time too, and so we were here for his birthday 2 years ago, so it's funny that we're here again like the same time. So today's his birthday, so we have cake for him. We wanted to get ice cream, but the place is closed. I don't know why, but yeah, he's here trying to put his shoes on and everything. That vlog with, you know me, vlogging camera not do great in a low light. Jalen, you get 1 foot in? Oh what? Well, in you.
You want to take it off? Take off.
No, keep on.
So yeah, we got the shop set up. My aunt has a shop, by the way. But yeah, we have things set up. It's people coming. I don't know where all these people coming from. They probably went to play ball or something. But yeah. When you're ready? When you're ready? You're lucky. I just got no one to my sing happy birthday. I'm gonna use pictures for your record. I'm gonna use this for record. Okay, me take one.
Grandma,
Cool.
you can pull it out. But I see if Chance to pray for the cake. If I'm in, sis, I will. If you all, sis, I will. So Jaden, pull it back. Want to take it now?
Yeah, that's
what you have to do. Ashmar 6.
Why you got the cake?
Yeah.
Or she tell us she said she not get
No, me say Zaman.
Why you got the cake? Bad boy Zaman.
Make her ask
I know me.
Yes, he has Zaman.
Oh. Medicine, where was that? Come 6. Happy. Oh, you go.
we have to pray up. You don't want to go nobody else.
Ready, up to.
Alright. You ready?
After 9.
How many night food this is? Me I tell the final say no bother with it. Just one prayer get over this.
That's what I'm fine.
You look like you know get exhausted.
Well, she don't answer. Listen, she get exhausted. Hey!
You ready?
Ready.
Yeah, ready.
Let's bob over our heads. You know what I think.
Me.
Alright. Are you ready? No? Yeah.
Come, girl.
Father God, I thank you once more, Lord, as we come together again to celebrate Jalen's 4th birthday. I pray that you guide and protect him, give him understanding, give him knowledge, let him understand things, Lord. I thank everyone that comes out, Lord, to celebrate Jalen's birthday, Father.
Look here. Rest. You ever tell her to do? Rest.
And bless all the people that are here tonight, Father. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Thank you, Grandma, for saving.
Look at that. Shut up.
Italy.
Ready? Let's sing.
3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jalen. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? 4. How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord.
Alright, Jalen. Make your wish and blow the candle.
Come, on the count of 4.
Make a wish.
Well, count for.
1.
Come, turn that down. Anyways.
Ready, count.
Come.
Count through 4. You make one wish and blow the candle.
1, 2, 3, 4. Happy birthday, Jalen. Just forget this. It just started.
Cold and flu will relieve those nagging cold and flu symptoms. Take Pharmacold and flu to the Pharmacold and flu. It is now entertainment headlines time 3 o'clock.
Album set for release this year. Now, beloved 90s sitcom The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, played by Will Smith, is coming back in a reboot. This time, the
Alright, you guys, so I'm back. I've been gone for a minute. I'm here with my cousin Chelsea. We're about to go to Digicel because she needs like a SIM card. This is not a great angle. She needs a SIM card for her phone, but their service has been down, so we're about to check and see if it's back up now. Oh, my mom's in the back. Huh? Mommy, say hi. I already introduced you, Chelsea. It's so cute.
This is any waist